Our names are Navdha and Joshua De Cruz, and we are Panchatantra Programmers.
Joshua is an amazing piano player and loves sports.
Navdha is energetic and loves to scream at her code.
He also likes a television series called Naruto.
She has an interest in a television series called Greenhouse Academy, loves art and crafts, and she loves reading.
Both of us have created a game based on Treasure Hunt. Let's start to play your game first. Okay. Here it is. Finding the command of lightning. You must know that you can use each of these items only once in your journey. Thank you very much. Bye. I know that there is a future. Lead us to this treasure. Where is the cave? Let us remove some bushes. Maybe we'll find it. When you find the cave, you can click on it. Okay? Ah, there. This cave is huge. Here is another area for the clue. He is actually someone who will help us find the treasure. I don't see an opening there, but I don't think I can fit unless I use something Captain Danny gave us. Can you help me choose? They cannot use command. Ocean of Strength is the correct choice. Alright, we are small so we can the tiny hole. Oh, hello. Here is the map for you. Use the arrow keys to move. Try not to touch the green color. Follow the arrows. Okay. Oh. Here. Okay. Quick. You have 30 seconds. The command of lightning. Just love the sea. Alright, I know the treasure is here somewhere. Joshua, should we look at my game?
Yes. All right. So let's go.
Okay.
Welcome to Treasure Hunt. That's nice. All right. So let's go with this.
Okay.
Kyle. Let's see.
Time for you to get your first hint. At a place where cows graze, there you will find what you seek. Use the arrow keys to move and press the space bar to collect coins.
All right. So we move the arrow keys.
It's
And
written here.
that's the space bar. Let's go. Okay. There we go. We got two. Now let's click on the key. All right.
You got a key. Yay.
Come around the door. Okay. Then we go from here. You are close. You are close.
So it gets closer, closer, and closer.
Okay, we are close.
Hello, officer. I was wondering if you could show me the way to the top of the mountain.
Sure, I can show you. On one condition. Can you please get me some medicine?
Of course. Of course I can.
You can use this.
Okay.
Thank you. Click on it.
Let's click on it.
Oh, so click on that.
Any medical.
So it's a medical for any person.
Okay. There we go. And what is that?
Thank you. Here is your reward. Oh look, it's already showing the problems.
What do you mean? Click on the one which has an exclamation mark.
Here's the exclamation mark.
That's
Look on the bush. Right, here's the gun.
Stop right there.
Thank you. Here is your reward. Here you go.
That's nice. A key. One level to go with the correct key. Good luck.
Hello.
Follow me.
Let's follow him.
Whoops, try again. Whoops, try again. Correcto. Correcto. Correcto.
It was a nice game. My favorite part was the ending, actually, when the toad was jumping. I found that really fun. And I also liked the part where we went to any medical.
oh, any medical.
Any medical. So Navda, the part which I really liked was the tea shop showing. So, when how the tea shop was getting close to the character, I really liked that part, and especially with the distance to character.
When if distance equal to 50, then repeat 5 times.
Uh, what did you like from my game?
Oh, I really like the part where the broom was sweeping.
Nice. So that was actually one of the very first times I was using clones, because usually I try to refrain from clones because I'm not too familiar with it. But this was one the times where it was really necessary, and I wanted to skip unnecessary code, so that's why I used clones.
So is this the code which you used?
The clones code is in that sand particles, not here. Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is no, it's not here. It's not in the broom. It's not in the broom.
So where
The
is it?
broom, is all it shows is it's moving side to side. Yeah, it's actually this sprite.
So when I received level 4 chest can be found, it will repeat 200 times.
Yeah, 200 because I in I couldn't make it two less also. Otherwise, it would be a little blank. So that's why I put 200. And then later on I did when glide 2 seconds to any random position, and then I sent out multiple broadcasts, two broadcasts, and then I deleted the clone, and then I hit the sprite because there would be a little obstruction. Oh, and I really like your name, hashtag coding queen.
I liked yours too. So nobody knows who you are because
Yeah,
I really like the game.
I liked your game too. It was really nice. And there were a lot of tricky things also. Like it took me a while to, find out how to get around the door, and not many people could really see that, that exclamation thingy that makes it all the more interesting
Yeah,
and
I actually
tricky.
like. Then you'll actually have to search for it.
Yeah. So you can come to this FAMJAM 2020 to 2021 studio, and you can check out all the other projects and games on this, and you can remix them and enjoy them.
And don't forget to like and share them.
Thank you.